Hi people, in this video I will show you a quick review of Logitech Z4 speakers. This is 2.1 stereo speakers system for your PC. This is white version and this is how satellites look. This is from the back. I have mounted on these stands. Very nice look, I must admit, especially if you have if you use Apple. Very nice. This is stands, factory stands. They are from metal. I think this is from aluminum, and they are quite heavy, and when they are mounted on these stands, they are very stable. I will show you the subwoofer unit. It's of course white too. This is not the speaker is inside. This is some kind of bass reflex membrane. I'll show you how move from the back. Connectors for speakers. This is where you connect your PC, and this is jack for audio control unit. I will show you how it looks, and this is for power cable. Very good looking, very nice subwoofer. And this is control unit, very quality build. This is not aluminum, this is plastic. Power button, volume button, and this is for level of the bass you want to hear. The other speaker, satellite. Okay, now we'll go to some quick sound test. Okay, now we will start sound test just to show you which song is used. This is KST Beat from Germany. Number song is 115. Beat for Angelo Fold 7-fold. I think this is how song is called. Speakers are here, and this is my camera is on the. I hope it's in the middle. The bass level on the audio control unit from the speakers is on the middle range. Okay, now we'll start the song. that's all, people. This is my quick test and quick review of Logitech Z4 2.1 speakers for PC. Hope you like it.